Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix an annoying issue on Android, where your calls keep going straight to voicemail without even ringing. There are a couple of quick fixes you can try, and I'll walk you through them step by step. The first thing you want to check is whether Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. When this mode is active, your Android phone silences all calls and notifications, which makes incoming calls skip directly to voicemail. To fix this, open the Settings app on your phone, tap on Notifications, and then select Do Not Disturb. Once you're inside, toggle it off. Also check under the Schedule section and make sure none of the automatic D&D schedules are enabled. Once you disable those, your phone will be able to ring normally when someone calls you, if that doesn't solve the problem. The second thing to check is whether you've accidentally enabled the option to block calls from unknown numbers. While this feature is helpful for stopping spam, it can sometimes block important calls and send them straight to voicemail. To fix this, open your phone app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and go into Settings. From there, tap on Block Numbers, and make sure the toggle for block calls from unknown numbers is switched off. Once you do that, you should be able to receive calls from anyone without them being blocked, and that's it. Usually, one of these two fixes solves the problem right away. If your calls are still going to voicemail, you might want to also check with your carrier settings or even restart your device. But for most people, these steps are enough. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.